Alright, so application for visitor visa, temporary resident visa. So UCI, unique client identifier, because the base of this case is like the person John Smith already holds a unique client identifier, a study permit, so definitely he has applied before, so he has a UCI, so put that. So I'm just putting a sample, it's like 8 or 10 digits. I want service in English, visa requested. Let's go to the drop down. To visa, personal details, family name, so let's say his name is John Smith. John, have you ever used any name? No, he hasn't. He is male, and let's say he was born on 1996 0101. Place of birth, New Delhi, country India, citizenship India, current country of residence, he is in India, status, he is a citizen. So in past 5 years, have you lived in any country or territory other than your country of citizenship or your current country or hence no. Whatever is applicable in your case, same as the country where applying, yes. Your current marital status, so he is never married, so he is single. Have you previously been married? No. Because he's from India, so let's say his native language is Hindi. Are you able to comprehend English or French? English. Okay. Have you taken a test from a testing agency to access profession? So because he's a student, so I select yes. Passport. Alright. So I'll put a sample typical Indian passport number. Country, let's say it was issued in India. Issue date, let's say it was issued in 2017, and a typical Indian passport we all know is valid for 10 years. Okay, so then it will go to 2027 0109. This is how it works in most of the cases. Do you have a national ID document? So when I applied for my first visa, or in many visas, when I was not a Canadian citizen, instead I was an Indian citizen, in various forms in this question I selected yes, and I provided my PAN card details and it was accepted. And in India nowadays there are many other documents like Aadhaar card or voter card that can be used as well. So I'm just writing a sample. And I had explained this, so I had no issue anywhere. Issue, let's say 2014 it was issued, 0809. Just sample. Are you a green card holder of USA? No. Alright. Let's go down. Current mailing address. Let's say he's living at 1 apartment 1 Torontonian Street. He's living in, this is just a sample address guys, this doesn't exist. Toronto, country Canada, province Ontario. Residential address same, yes. So because he is in Canada, so he has a telephone number, yes. Let's say he has a cellular number 666-666-6666. Sample. He has an email address, no email@noemail.com. Sample guys, this is not my email account, so don't send an email to me because it will not come to me. Details of visit to Canada. So he is a returning student. How long you are planning to stay? So let's say he applied for his study permit and it is valid. I mean, it has been issued. Okay, let me give some background. Let's say his current study permit is gonna be over by Feb 28. So his next study permit is from March 1st 2021 till March 1st 2023. So this is what I am gonna write. Funds available, let's say I'm writing name, address of any institution I will visit. So he's a student, he will definitely visit. So I mean definitely he will go to study. So let's say studying in Toronto IT College, that's his institution. Relation, you can see college where enrolled. Address, I'm writing 10 Toronto Street, Ontario. Just sample guys. Education. Have you had any post-secondary education including university? Yes. Highest level. So let's say recently he completed his masters and now he has applied for his PhD. So let's create a profile. He was in 1996 born. So let's say at 18 years of age, which will come in 2014, he studied in India for 3 years for his graduation. So in 2017 he got graduated. Then he worked for 2 years, like till 2019, and then 2019 he came and he did his masters. So recently let's say 2021, from this, so I'll say 2019 01, field of study, let's say Masters of Science in IT, whatever is applicable in your case. Let's say I'm writing Toronto IT College, city, town, Toronto, country or territory, so Canada. The moment I selected Canada, province became enabled. Alright. Employment. Give the details of employment for past 10 years, including if you had any government held position such as civil servant, judge, for a hospital, administrative employee, security. Do not leave gaps. If retired, not working or studying, please indicate. If you are retired, please provide the 10 years. So this is for the current activity. So he's studying. So let's say he's studying from, he's still studying, like his course is gonna be over. Oh, I'm sorry. 2019 01. So Toronto, college, or whatever is applicable in your case. Okay, so past 10 years they have asked. So before 2019 he was, I mean, you can even include this date also if it's going on, I mean if it is applicable. So I'm just putting the information like from let's say 2017 June to 2018 December. Let's say he was working, occupation, so he was like an IT junior consultant, and he was where he was studying, where he was employed, let's say New Delhi IT company. City, town, let's say New Delhi, country, India. Okay, so we have gone till 2017 June we have gone. So but we have to go till 2011 because 10 years. So let's say from 2014 May till 2017 May he was studying, and he was studying at New Delhi IT College. City, town, New Delhi, country, India. Okay, now a lot of people ask this question that there is if they need more rows, what can they do? Because case by case, not everything can be combined in just 3 rows. So I have done some research, and what I have found, like people those who have got it approved, what they did, they made the similar table and included in their client information letter, and they provided that to IRCC with the explanation that why they could not enter all the information here, and it was there and it was accepted. So that you can also do. Alright. Within the past 2 years, have you had a family member who had tuberculosis? No. Do you have any physical mental disorder that would require social and or health services other than medication? No. Whatever is applicable in your case. Have you remained beyond the validity of your status, attended school with authorization or worked without authorization in Canada? Let's say no. Have you ever been refused a visa, work permit, denied entry, or ordered to leave Canada or any other country? No. Whatever is applicable in your case. Have you previously applied to remain in Canada? Yes, he has applied because he had a visitor visa application which was approved, and he is already in Canada. So provide all the details. I am just writing some text here because this is just a sample. Like you need to provide that explanation. Have you ever committed, as arrested, or been charged or with or convicted of any criminal offense? No. But it does not look good, right? So I'll write like I applied for a student visa number, it was approved, and I have been studying, living in Canada, and now this is my second application. I mean such details, whatever is the case. Just want to give you some more touch. Did you serve in any military, militia? No. Have you ever served in any political party? No. Looting or discussion of religious building? No. Do you consent to be contacted by ICIC in future? Yes. Date you can put here. Signature of the applicant you can put here. I'm sorry, like signature of the applicant means like for online applications you don't need to sign it physically by printing. You sign it electronically at the end, that I have already shown in different videos. For paper application you need to print and sign, but this is an online application, so don't need to put any physical sign. Click on validate. Okay, validation is completed. So now you're gonna save this whole page including the barcodes, and then